Hi boys and girls, I hope you are doing well. I'm going to be going over your packet for week 5.5. Can you see that right here, 5.5? This is the packet that we're working on this month, or the first week of this month. Today is April 1st, 2020. And I'm going to read some of this for you. I hope these videos are helping you do your work. The first assignment for ELA or for reading, we're going to be reading the story In Winter, okay? So I'm going to go down my screen. You won't be able to see me in these videos because I'm recording my computer so that you can see what I'm reading and what I'm working on. Here's the story In Winter. Look at that picture, boys and girls. We know it's winter because the children in the story are wearing their what? Right, they're wearing their jackets. She's wearing a hat because it's cold. And look at those birds. Let's see what those birds are doing. Ready? In winter, we saw geese fly over us. The group flew in a V shape. They traveled to locate food and a warm place for the winter. Look at that. These are geese, a goose. When we have more than one goose, we call them geese. And they're flying in what shape? What shape do we see right here? This page said it was a V shape, right? And they're traveling. They're going somewhere to locate food, to find food, and to find a warm place. So do you think geese like to feel the cold wind or the cold weather? Probably not, right? Let's look at this page. Should moose leave too? Their world is frozen solid, so bark is their major food. Look at the word right here, frozen. Think of the movie Frozen. Everything in the movie Frozen was cold, it was ice. So everything in the moose's world is frozen, everything is ice. And what is it that they're eating here in the picture? What did the paragraph say this is called? This is bark. The trunk part of the tree, that's called bark. Today we stay warm in our cabin. We sip hot soup with spoons. We put on boots and coats. It feels like years until spring. Look at them, they're drinking their soup, they're sipping their soup. What does the word sip mean right here? Sip like, did you hear that? So they're sipping their soup. This is your first assignment for the story In Winter. I'm going to read the questions to you, and you can answer as best as you can, okay? It says, number 1, why do geese travel in the winter? You can go back to your story and find out. Why are the geese traveling or flying somewhere else for winter? Look at number 2. Box 4 words that have the same vowel sound as moon. So we're looking for the ooh in moon. You're going to look back at the story and find words that have the same ooh sound. Maybe they do not have 2 O's like in moon. I'm going to give you a hint right here. Look, soup, soup. Do you hear the same sound? M-oon, soup, right? We have the oo sound in soup. So you're going to write one of them right here as soup. Okay, number 3. What is moose's major food during winter? What is it that the moose was eating in this picture or in this page? What is their major food? And number 4 says, what is the last thing the characters do in the story? What is the last thing that the boy and the girl are doing? Here's a clue. You're going to write your answers down, okay?